swing level 1.
8 count.
We worked on a couple little points today, mostly stuff that they're already
A
doing.
couple little points.
A little, we'll get there. But we worked on a circle. Remember when Trent fixed it? 3 and 4, zoom, zoom. We kind of face each other, we keep turning a bit more, and neither one of us is stepping really straight in that moment. It's still circular. So, the center between us.
Do it like friends.
Zoom, zoom, yeah, alright, that was a little circle point. Then we talked about swing out circles, everything. Leaders, make sure you get wherever you are here, triple stepping on the end of something, keep this same position, and just take a rock step. And you're swinging out. Here, and rock step. Don't make a big different thing out of it. Don't forget to get ready and do this. Get ready and just rock step. You want to make it a little more explicit, that rock step there.
So followers, remember on your twist, you have to be convinced to come in, because what's happening right now is you're making sure that you come in, but if you're early, you're actually not on time. You have to be convinced to go in, don't be so eager to come in.
So true. And when we swing out, look, we can go over to our final point. Points. We go. In. Out. In. We didn't say, but really leave that foot. So you go like this. You're here, jump, tap your foot. That's not the little way. Okay? You leave it down. You go. Hey.